Meet Techy, a tech company that supports all your tech needs. Have you heard about Techy's partnership with Walmart, the retail giant that sells more than Amazon, Costco, and Target combined? Did you know that 90% of Americans live within 15 miles of a Walmart, and that 140 million consumers visit Walmart each week? The average local Walmart sees over 10,000 visitors each day. You can't buy that kind of traffic. Can you imagine partnering with Walmart and what it could do for your business? Well, you are at the right place with Techy, one of the leading retailers of electronic repair, buy, and sell services in the world. That's right, we are a worldwide company. Techy has partnered with Walmart in both the United States and Canada, boasting hundreds of locations. This is how Techy works. Say you need support with your tech needs. Step 1. Go to a local store near you or visit our website for a call with one of our experienced techs. Then see more of what we offer to our customers. For example, at Techy, we provide fast repairs, buyback services, and the means to sell anything with a power button. We cater to a wide range of devices, including computers, laptops, tablets, smartphones, and more. Now, let's talk about the exciting opportunities Techy offers to new entrepreneurs. We provide franchise opportunities inside Walmart, complete with training and support. If you choose to be a part of the Techy franchise, you will be joining one of the fastest growing franchise brands in the United States. For those who want to take their business to the next level, we offer various revenue options. Through our Techy Save membership, for just $7.95 per month, you'll receive device security and a USB cable every 3 months. If you're looking to buy the latest gadgets and accessories like smartphones, laptops, smartwatches, and headphones, visit our website at www.techyshop.com for the best selections with free shipping. Got used devices you want to sell? Visit www.techygreen.com to sell your used electronics or call us at 877-9288-905 to schedule a pickup now. Here's how you can join Techy and what our franchise can do for you. Visit our website at www.techyfranchising.com. Choose the Techy package that fits your needs. Fill out the form details. Our team will reach out to you shortly. When you join Techy, you get a step-by-step guide on owning and operating a profitable tech franchise store. Don't wait to start your own business with Techy. Exciting expansion opportunities are coming in 2024 in the tech and consumer electronics franchise industry. We're strategically focusing on cities such as Louisville, Detroit, Indianapolis, Kansas City, Cleveland, St. Louis, and Dallas. Start your business venture with Techy today and discover what the Techy plus Walmart partnership can do for you. For more details, visit our website or contact us directly. We're here to help you succeed.